Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 277 network issue. Roblox error code 277 indicates a network issue preventing you from connecting to the game server. So here are some simple ways to solve this issue. The first method that you can try out is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. To test it out, open a web browser and search for a familiar site to confirm. Another method to try out is to restart devices. Restart your device since the issue might be due to your device. The third method to try out is to change DNS servers. This can sometimes improve connection stability. Instructions on how to do this will vary depending on your device. Popular options include Google Public DNS and Cloudflare DNS. The fourth method will require you to close conflicting programs. On your PC, close any program that might interfere with your internet connection. Another method you can use is to temporarily disable firewall or antivirus. In some cases, your security software might be blocking Roblox. Be cautious and only disable temporarily while troubleshooting. The last method you can use is to reinstall Roblox. If none of the above works, try reinstalling Roblox. This can fix corrupted files causing connection issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error code 277. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like. I'll see you in the next video.